welcome to the video. This is going to be a new series of video where I will try to solve maximum number of questions in a minimum time so that we can cover a lot of concepts in a single video. In this video, we will solve 5 different questions on a table which is called as the employee table. And let me query the employee table and let us see the schema. And then I will go through each question and we will solve all the 5 questions. So this is the table that we are going to use, which is the employee table, which has employee ID column, first name, last name, salary column, joining date, department, and manager ID column. And our first question is write a SQL query to find the nth highest salary from the employee table. And as an example, it is given that we have to find the third highest salary from the employee table. So for that, select salary, comma, and I'm going to use the dense rank function, open and close the bracket, over here. I'm not going to use the partition clause because I don't want to partition the data based on any column, so I'm simply using the over clause, and inside the over clause, order by salary. Also we have to give descending order because I want the maximum salary at the top from employee table. Now let us run the query and let us see what is the result that we are going to get. Now we can see that we got a salary column. Corresponding to that, we have a dense rank column where the salary is ranked based on the dense rank function. Let us give a name to the dense rank column as well as rank. So this is the rank salary column that we got. Now we want only the third highest salary, which is 2 lakh, which we can simply see from this table. So what we can do is we will put this query inside a subquery and select star from the subquery, and we will use a where clause, rank underscore salary equal 3. Now let me run the query and we should get this result, that is the salary which is the third highest is 2 lakh and the corresponding rank is 3. Now if we want the fourth highest salary, we can change the rank to 4. Now we'll get the fourth highest salary. Similarly, for any rank we can find it from the simple query. Now going to the second question, write a SQL query to find top n records. So example is finding top 5 records from the employee table based on salary. So this is pretty simple. Select top 5 star, which means all the columns we are selecting from employee table, and order by salary in the descending order. Now finding top 5 records from the employee table based on salary, that is the maximum salary is coming at the top. So we got the 5 records in such a way that maximum salary is coming at the top. And if we want the salary which are minimum, that is the minimum 5 salaries or the minimum 5 records with respect to the salary, we can change the descending to ASC, which means ascending. Now if we run, we will get the minimum salary at the top, and going down the salary will increase. Now moving on to the third question. The third question is write a SQL query to find the count of employees working in department admin. So from the employee table, we can see that there are different departments in which the employees are working, and here we want to find the count of employees working in department admin. So here we can see admin, 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 admin. These employees are working in the department admin, and there are other departments as well, which are HR, accounts, and all. Now we'll use the query select count star from employee table, and in the where clause we will give the corresponding department equal admin. Now if we run the query, we will get the employee count, that is the number of employees working in the department admin. Yeah, that is 4. That is the number of employees working in the department admin is 4. Now moving on to the next question. Write a SQL query to fetch department wise employee count sorted by department count in descending order. For that, we will start writing the query using select clause. So it is given that we have to count the employees based on department. So department, comma, count 1. So it can be anything, star 1 or whatever you want to put, you can use as employee count from employee table. And we have to use a group by clause here because we are using an aggregate function here. Group by department and order by clause we are using, since it is given that we have to sort it based on the total count of employees in each department in descending order, that is order by employee count in descending order. Now if we run the query, we will get the department and corresponding employee count, that is department and employee count. So admin has 4 employees, HR has 2 employees, and accounts has 2 employees. Now moving on to the final question in this video. Write a SQL query to find only odd rows from the employee table. So if I take the employee table, we can see that employee ID, this can be based on employee ID. So employee ID is continuous starting from 1 and ending at 8. So with a difference of 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 8. So what they are asking us to do is write a query to find only odd rows from the employee table. So in our result, we only want employee ID which are odd. For that, select, we will take all columns in our output, select star from employee table, and in the where clause, we will use the employee ID column, and we will use the modulus operator, that is employee ID modulus 2, that is we will get the reminder should not be equal to 0. Now let me run the query and we will get all the employees which are having an employee ID which is odd. Now we have employee ID 1, 3, 5 and 7. So all the row IDs are odd. Thank you for watching the video, and we will see in another video where we will try to solve many number of questions in a single video. Thank you.